You've got some explaining to do, Tiger. Trained from childhood as an Atlas assassin with over 1,000 successful jobs to your name. Damn near killed my two best men before they brought you in.
She said we're her best men. That makes me feel good. Ow.
Here's how it is, Athena. I'm gonna ask you a single question, and if I don't like your answer, you will die. Aim at the prisoner. Now, I will ask you this only once. Why? That is a long story. After the fall of General Knox, I wandered Pandora as a hired gun. One day, I received a job offer from a low-level Hyperion programmer. Come to the moon, it said. Hunt a vault, be a hero. I didn't trust Hyperion, but I was too hungry to pass up a paying job. And what did you find? Violence, insanity, and a hero. If the Lost Legion hadn't ambushed Helios Station, everything might have gone a different way.
This time it'll be awesome, I promise! Hello, Vault Hunter, and thank you for answering Hyperion's summons. Unfortunately, the Helios space station is currently under attack by insane Dawn military forces. Please take this echo device. Now follow me. I can take you to your contractor liaison. Me, Rocket. Randy could have used some work, but A for effort. Sorry about the mess. Things got really hairy once the Lost Legion attacked.
Warning. Unauthorized forces present on Helios.
Here, let me open this door. Open for me, oh door. Jack, just around the corner. Let's go. The Lost Legion are really making a mess of this place.
Vault Hunter sighted! Wipe him out!
Save me! Save me!
Why are you doing this?
Caution recommended. Arm your batons and free Helios.
I'll be gentle on it. Stay out of our way! Get down!
Wow! I hit him! You saved me! We have to get to the moonshot supply control room and get to Jack! He loves me! The Lost Legion must have killed this one. People think robots can't feel pain, but we actually feel it in slow motion, with great intensity. This robot died in horrific anger.
That Claptrap died?
Down!
That's awesome! Hey, you the Vault Hunters I heard?
Experimental prototype SR4 GTP, reporting for duty.
Oh, it's the worst day ever.
Help! Lots of help! I got no idea who these asshole troops are or why they got a murder on for this space station, but they got me pinned!
Forward! Come out! Fight!
Attention Hyperion. Your Helios space station now belongs to the Lost Legion. Surrender before it is too late.
Robots don't do that. Oh,
attention! Hey, could you help me up?
Come on! Or, you want to wait? You're busy? That's cool. I'll just bleed over here. Holy crap! You saved my life. Thank you. Sorry. Heart's pounding.
Never been shot at before. Kind of fun, actually. Look, these crazy bastards attacked Helio Station right after I sent for you guys. If we can drive them off, we'll be free to go after that vault on the moon's surface.
Alright, looks like you got a shield. Pretty self-explanatory, really. It leads bullets until it depletes. When it does, you gotta hide and give it time to recharge. Hey, just let me activate the defense controls. A few seconds, we'll have turrets, force fields, laser wires. These assholes don't know what hit them.
Critical failure. Helios defense systems are being jammed.
What? How?
Jamming signal originates from Elpis, Pandora's moon.
Oh crap, kill the turrets, kill the turrets! Oh, this day gets better and better. All right, plan B. We can't take Helios back, we need to evacuate. Escape ships are this way.
We must take this ground.
Who's she? She seems angry.
I don't know, she leads these jackasses, I think? I don't know, but the first person to shoot her in the head gets a high five in a turbo mansion. Alright, let me get to this door. The escape ships are nearby.
Oh, son of a taint.
Hey, it's that Colonel! Execute plan to shoot that chick in the head!
Hello, Jack.
Okay, that's unnerving. Run! Oh, perfect. She destroyed the ships. We gotta find another way out the station.
What the heck was that creature?
No idea, but I get the feeling it couldn't kill us with its brains, so, keep running.
Jack, what the hell is going on? I'm getting reports of alarms all across Helios.
Nothing, sir. Nothing. Everything's fine. Just, one of the Claptrap units tried to French kiss a light socket, sir.
Need I remind you that you are there to observe Pandora, nothing more. If you incur any damages to the Helios space station, I will personally...
Sorry, sir. We're losing connection. Asshole.
What?
I called you an asshole because I thought I'd hung up. My bad.
We will speak again, John.
There's Elpis. That friggin' jamming signal is somewhere down on that cracked rock, messing up all the cool security stuff up here. Come on! Come on!
I want this station, and I want to save the universe.
What the hell's that supposed to be? Hey! There he got it! But cool!
Hyperion,
Come on!
For the Legion! Should have stayed on Pandora! My friggin' shields! My eyes!
Take this!
Chill out, you freaking lunatics! You can't stop us! How's that shield holding up? What are these maniacs doing? We don't even have a real military up here. They're just murdering workers. And us, if we don't move it. Okay, well, I've got a stupid idea. We're gonna head to that moonshot cannon. Follow me.
You mentioned a moonshot cannon?
Basically a huge gun that shoots supplies down to the moon's surface like at about 1,000 miles an hour. We're gonna get in one of those containers and escape that way.
Is that gonna kill us?
I don't know. Be a pretty cool way to die though, huh?
At the moonshot cannon, move in!
Get your ass to five! Over and out!
Take this!
You had no idea why these doll guys wanted Jack dead? I had suspicions. Money, revenge. That said, whoever needed a reason out here.
Be cleansed with heat!
You'll not die, I guess? Son of a
Be
tank!
cleansed with
He's out of his power suit!
Look out, everybody! Things are about to get awesome! Mini drop on the field! Oh! It's about to get magical! Oh! I'm invisible! Here it comes to save the day! Surprise! I actually did something right for once!
Man, that guy really likes fire. Elevator's over there. Let's go.
This is kind of exciting.
Yeah, our story just began with us getting off a bus. This sounds all explosive and stuff.
Stop complimenting the prisoner.
I'm getting the moonshot up there. Let me get the elevator. Let's go, elevator. Damn it, something's jamming the elevator up there. Figure something out. All right, weird idea. Let me book the loading terminal. Watch your step.
That would be a hell of a fall.
I will do my best to not fall to my death. I am inside the moonshot shell.
Hold on, I'm gonna spin the cylinder. Just make it up there? Free up the elevator so I can join you. Yeesh, you got wedged in tight. No big deal though, they can't feel pain. Just bash them out of there. Oh, these loaders bum me out. It's no wonder Dahl took us over so easily. I need more soldiers.
Badasses, like you. Woo, we made it. We just gotta get into a moonshot container.
A creative Hyperion shall not...
After we kill this asshole!
You're my millionth customer. Don't let it go to your head. A pleasure as always. Good luck.
I feel
It's great. All right, that's twice you've saved my life. Now we just gotta... Oh, for what the auto shot controls are damaged. Someone's gotta stay back and launch the pods manually. I'd suggest the Claptrap, but I need you down there and help us finding a way to save this place. God, I can't believe I just said that.
I probably won't let you down.
All right, new plan. I'll stay behind. I need you down on the moon. You gotta find that jamming signal and shut it down. Otherwise, we'll never get control of the moon base and we can kiss that vault goodbye.
Are you sure about this plan, Jack? It may result in your horrible dismemberment.
Now you saved my life a couple of times, I'm repaying the favor. Besides, I'm a hero, baby. Self-sacrifice is part of the job. Oh, good. A health machine. I had one put in here after a worker had an accident and, lost
His
his
torso. Better heal up before your trip down to the moon. Might want to grab some ammo, too. Supplies over here. We need to get a moonshot container up here. Normally, we'd load some supplies, but this time, you're the cargo.
Okay, this container ought to do the trick. Cool, I'm closing the container. Watch your limbs. Loading you into the delivery chamber. This is gonna be loud. It's slightly awesome.
You're telling me Jack, handsome Jack, the guy who murdered my boyfriend, stayed behind while you escaped?
Like hell.
Whether his decision was heroic or purely strategic, I can't say. But if Jack hadn't stayed behind to eject the pod, I might well have died on Helios.
Your story is making Handsome Jack kind of sympathetic. I hate it.
All right, we're ready to fire. Whenever you're ready, I'll shoot you to Concordia. It's the biggest town on Elpis. I know someone there who can help you find that jamming signal.